This video explores the notion of repeated practice in skills development. A key thing we need to think about when looking at designing feedback processes is the notion that repeated practice in skills development automates certain aspects of the learning process and frees up working memory capacity and reduces cognitive load. That then enables the learner to take on board new information and to process information at a much higher level. Depending on the self-regulation ability of the learners and other individual differences, learners may not equally benefit from repeated testing. Repeated testing can actually cause expert-novice reversal, so that people who formerly were confident about their learning then become unconfident about it, and it can undo those who are high self-regulators if it's not managed in an appropriate way. This variability highlights key self-regulatory skills of learners, such as recognizing the value of feedback opportunities, for example, cue consciousness, and the ability to filter relevant information effectively, such as what information to rely on or what sources to pursue, which networks to join, and so on. Early opportunities to ascertain student understanding of requirements, for example, focused questioning or practice testing, enables students to calibrate judgments regarding the quality of their own work, enables them to test perceptions and schema, and also to support metacognitive monitoring accuracy. The way in which such approaches are operationalized impacts the outcomes, so not all students benefit equally from such support. Students and educators must be able to see the connections and the relevance of activities, the relative significance of which needs to be signposted. Testing frequency and testing saturation, whereby all students are required to demonstrate their mastery of lesson content on a test before the instructor moves on, can impact on attainment. The relative benefits of repeated testing over repeated practice on student skill retention is known, but as Selen-Kirscher and colleagues identified, there are disciplinary nuances to that. So what works in one discipline might work slightly differently in another one.